Right back, family. We're right back inside here. Look at it. Look at it. It was stewing down, and look at it. The sausages and the tomato, you see? Look at the tomato. It has all been mashed out, cooked out. And then we get a little pectin out of it. Look at it. When you want something to stretch your fam, get some cherry ripe tomatoes. So, okay. Now, we're going to get our flame up to about medium. Remember I told you about the flame up, down, medium? We have some soy sauce here. Okay? Don't use browning. Use a little. So we want a little color. Do not use browning, y'all. Please use some soy sauce of your choice. Now, look at what. Because the browning, it does not give any flavor. All it does is, it gives is color. So we have put in a little soy sauce. And you see the difference in color? Okay, y'all. Now you incorporate properly. Let everything get even. Right here we have a medium tin of baked beans. So we're gonna roll it right in. Okay, y'all. And to this here, we have a half a cup of sweet corn. So we're going to put it right in there. Right here, we have some black pepper. We don't go look very much, and just to give it a little taste, so we're going to put just about that, no more. If you want to put more, fine, but I would suggest just go easy with the black pepper, cause okay, so we're gonna we're gonna pull to the side because we want a little gravy something. So we're going to put a little, probably about 2 of this spoon of water, and we're going to kick up, and we're going to notch up back our flame. So we're going to take our time now while it's incorporating, because we can't lose none of this, you know, because a whole lot of people eat that food here, you know. It is supposed to share for a multitude, family multitude. Wow, it's pretty. Look at it, y'all. Now we start to get it on a little stew level. We want to get our flame right down to the lowest that we can. Okay? And whilst our flame is down, because the corns are cooked, the baked beans are cooked, we're just trying to get them get them heated inside this here, our stewed sausages. Now, let me tell you something. Hello, at this you call on a budget, stretch it. Look at it, y'all. Now we're going to taste, because we didn't put any salt, because the sausages are made with salt. It's sausage, you know, our frankfurters. And let me taste. Yes, man. Unless you love the high blood pressure thing and you want to salt up your thing. Other than that, it's proper. It's good. And look at it. So we have it like that, and it's fine. Now we're not finished. We're gonna right over here, camera girl, get right in. We are gonna clean her hair because it's low budget. On a low budget, we're stretching. We're on a budget and we are stretching. We're going to show you how you do it. You know, I'm a family of 4. So I'm going to show you how we do this thing here. Okay, y'all? We're stretching the budget. Okay? On a budget, stretching it out. Line up the plate them, that you don't get yourself in a problem. You're dishing when you have a large family, you got to know how to do it. Please do not forget anybody, because you might end up, because we have Rete, Le, Me, and She. Okay? No, 5. Rete, Le, Me, She. 5. Come now. So you bring your skillet, your frying pan, and the first one, you put in 1 first. This is how you do it when you have a large family. You don't put a whole heap one time or a lot one time. So you're going to put 1 large spoon in each container. Okay, y'all? I'm teaching you how to stretch the budget. So you have 5. So what is left now, you start to touch up everybody. Everybody, just touch them up a little. Everybody. Okay, y'all? Everybody get a little touch up on the second. Okay? And you look over here. That one you look mogrish. This one look a little meagrish. Okay, it's a Jamaican thing. That one you look extra. And so forth. This is how you dish. We're stretching the budget. Okay? So, and This is how you do it. Look at it. Now, as I said to you, put the camera up. I have a family of 5, and I am stretching my budget. So, it is dad, it is son, it is camera girl, it is myself, and this here, camera girl now is a Nancy, because this here is for camera girl to re-eat in the morning to take to school with a little white rice or a little pasta. Okay, you all? So now, you have your family. I'm showing you what a 6-pack of Frankfurter with a medium-sized tin of baked beans and a little corn, and the trick was the ripe plummy tomatoes that helped to stretch it out. Okay, you all? Now, if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Continue to subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. Okay, you all? And remember to hop on over to the Jamaican Debbie Debs. We're over there. We take our time going on. And I see you all have been hopping over. Thank you all. Thank you from over there to over here. Thank you all so much for your support and your continued support. Now, when you leave your comments, I might not get to answer them same time or same day. But within any 7 days, I always try to answer your comments. Okay, so thank you. Thank you all. You know I love you. I love you. I love you so much. So go ahead. Mashed potatoes, white rice, you name it. Serve your family. Go on your low budget stewed sausages, stretching the budget. Debbie from Dongayard, budget stretching. Boom.